Hello guys, welcome to the second video is no. So how do we solve higher order differential equation using calculator technique? So first no, if you haven't watched my first video, watch muna yun guys. How do we get this answer no solution? So we know that y is equal to y homogeneous plus y particular. Since y homogeneous is always equal to 0, we can assume no. We can assume by letting C1, C2, C3 is equal to 0. So para medyo mapadali yung pag-input natin sa calculator, we can do this only, no? We can do this only if you are dealing with a general solution. Pero pag particular solution, guys, kailangan natin isulat lahat. So, since general solution lang to guys, so we let C1, C2, C3 is equal to 0. So, we know that y is equal to 3 over 25 t e negative 2t, no? And then, we let the value of t is equal to 1, no? Kailangan natin mahanap yung value ng y when t is equal to 1. So, we input that in our calculator. 3 over 25 x e negative 2x. So, double check na yun guys kung tama yung ating pagkasulat o pagka-type sa ating calculator. And then we press calc, we'll let x is equal to 1. So, we have an answer of 0.01624023399. So, we store that to A. Shift, store A. And then, what we do next is kailangan natin i-save pala siya sa F. Shift store F. So we have the value of A na sa F. So sinave natin sa A at sinave din natin sa F. So now, we do is we find the y prime. So y prime is also equal to d dt 3 over 25t e negative 2t. We let x is equal to x or we let x is equal to t. So using calculator notation na tayo guys, no? So, papalitan natin yan. Gamitin yung t. T is equal to 1. So, we do that in our calculator. And then, we shift, insert, dy dx is equal to x. Alright, so calc natin yan guys. Is equal to 1. So, the answer is negative 0.1612 1624023. We store that to A. So, since kanina yung y function natin is na-store natin siya sa f, ngayon si y derivative, first derivative, save natin sa a, store a natin guys. And then what we do next is we calculate for y double prime. So, y double prime sa calculator guys, ang y double prime can be acquired using the formula b, that's b minus a over some value of h. So for this style guys, we use h is equal to 1 times 10 to the negative 5. So we increase the value. We find the derivative of, we find first b by by doing the derivative of our function y guys, no? So ito na pinagbago yun guys. Since kanina yung a natin is equal to x is equal to t, ngayon t plus 1 times 10 to the negative 5. So we do that in our calculator guys. Arrow up lang tayo guys para medyo mapadali. Plus 1e exponent negative 5. Equal natin yan guys. So the answer sa ating b is negative 0.1624. Save natin yan sa shift store natin yan sa b. Sulat muna natin guys, no? Para medyo may reference tayo mamaya. O kung gusto nyong subukan, is kailangan same tayo ng sagot guys. So negative 0.01624. So save natin yan, store natin yan sa B. Guys, no? Store sa B. And then we use our formula now. Y double prime. Yung y double prime is equal to B minus A over H. H natin is 1 times 10 to the negative 5 or 1e negative 5. So, B minus A. Since save natin yung B at A natin kanina guys, so plug in natin yan dyan. So, the answer is equal to 3 0.2485. So, store natin yan sa E, guys, no? Kasi yan ang Y double prime. Y double prime, store natin sa E. Shift store E. And then now we calculate or we solve for y triple prime or the third derivative, guys, no? How do we get the third derivative, guys? Using this formula, guys, no? C minus 2a, 2b plus a. 2b plus a over h natin, guys, squared. So, h pa natin kanina is 1 times 10 to the negative 5. So, una, since meron tayong a, meron tayong b, compute mo natin yung c. How do we get c? C is the derivative lang sa function. Yung function natin is 3 over 25. 3 over 25 e at t e negative 2t. X natin kanina, t plus times natin ng 2 na ngayon, guys. Kanina, 1 times 10 to negative 5. Ngayon, times natin ng 2. So, arrow up tayo, guys. Times na natin ng 2. No? So, ganun, guys. Ang result is ganyan, guys, no? So, C is negative 0.01624. 1624. Tapos, store natin yan sa C. Store natin yan sa C, guys. So, shift store C. Ngayon, using the formula to get the third derivative, that's y triple prime C minus 2a, 2b yan, guys, no? Hindi yan a, guys. 2b yan, guys. Medyo na wrong lang tayo dyan, eh. 2b yan, guys. So, C minus 2b plus a 1 over yan, squared. So, ang sagot natin, guys, is 0. Hindi yan 2a, guys, 2b yan, guys, C minus 2b plus a. So, shift store natin yan sa D. Shift store D. Alright, shift store D. Now, we can do the substitution now, guys, no? Since meron tayong second, third, at first derivative, so, we can assign, no? So, recall natin, guys, ang y triple prime, ang sagot niya is nasa D. Ang y double prime, na-store natin siya sa E. Ang first prime, y prime is nasa A. Tapos yung y lang natin, yung value is na-store sa F. Lahat na yan, guys, x is equal to 1 or t is equal to 1. So now, kopyahin natin yung equation na to, guys. Copy, tapos sulat natin sa kabila. Paste. Paste natin yan, guys, no? So, divide natin ang buong equation para yung 3e negative 2t para maging 1 yung kabilang. So, yung right hand side ng ating equation, guys, no? So, ganyan. 18y is equal to 1 over 3e negative 2t. So, ngayon, guys, i-assign natin yung value ng ating prime. So, d minus 4e minus 3a plus 18f over 3e negative 2t. So, dapat answer niyan, guys, equal to 1. So, sa calculator natin, guys, copy lang natin yan, guys, no? D minus 4e minus 3a plus 18f tapos yung 3e negative 2t. 2x is walang t. So, d is ganyan. Equal. Pag nagtanong ng x natin is equal to 1. So, the resulting equation, guys, is almost equal to 1. So, 0.9999, which is approximately equal to 1. So, we can say na yung solution to the differential equation na therefore, therefore pa ako dito, guys. So, the general solution na y is equal to C1 e negative 2t plus C2 e 3t plus C3 t e 3t plus 3 over 25 t e negative 2t is the solution to our differential equation na y triple prime minus 4y prime double prime minus 3y prime plus 18y is equal to 3 e negative 2t. So, yun ang sagot natin, guys. So, you can pause the video, guys, no, to find to copy the solution, guys. Yan lang, guys. Thank you.